Hey guys, how you doing? I want to talk to you a little bit about remodeling best practices. When you build a walk-in shower like this, the best practice before you tile the floor is to do a flood test. The reason for that is to make sure that your waterproofing, whether it's Schluter, Ditra, or another brand, is working and doing its job. If it leaks, then you gotta tear everything out. So this is the time to check it. So what I do is I get a 2-inch rubber stopper, I put it in the drain, turn it, create a nice tight seal, and then I fill the shower pan area with water. I'll mark the water line with a marker, and then we come back 24, 48 hours and we check to see if the water level has dropped or if the ceiling below has a stain. That's a telltale sign. All right, let's add some water, see how it goes. Perfect.